When was the last time you answered a call from a number you didn't recognize? You probably didn't, neither do your customers. Voice is the timeless core of CX. Caller ID crisis erode its value. Caller ID once gave us confidence in who was calling. But today, spoofing, deepfake AI, caused mistrust. Customers ignore unknown numbers and agents waste time proving who they are. Partial fixes exist, but none solve the problem end-to-end. Enterprises already have secure apps that customers trust. Why not bring voice into that channel? Introducing App-First Telephony. App-First Telephony moves calls into authenticated app sessions. Customers know exactly who is calling. Calls are encrypted, contextual, and fraud-resistant. This is a demo of App-First outbound call of a bank agent using AudioCodes Web RTCC PA services. The agent dial a customer number from his contact center agent console. Call is sent to AudioCodes SBC that converted to WebRTC call. The AudioCodes SDK that is integrated with the bank application receive the call. The application show incoming call from the app and can present the bank logo and call reason. PSTN fallback is always available. Boost CX and improved ROI from the first call. Saving more than 30 seconds per call means 100 hours annually. For a 500 agents contact center, this is more than $1 million. Reclaim trust. Reimagine voice. Secure, efficient customer first. The future of enterprise telephony starts now. Schedule a call with a solution expert.